Pambansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Amy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pambansang pamilya. Samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.
A few inches later.
At ayun na nga, hindi nyo ako maaasahan. Lalo na kapag ganito na malamig. Oh my gosh, hindi ko kayang magbabad ang mga buto ko. Yung asawa ko, good luck talaga mamaya. At party-party na lang po ako dito sa gilid. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Kuhang-kuha ng DJ yung mga trip kong kanta. Kanina pa kami nag-eye contact. Parang alam niya talaga yung mga galawang ko. Let's go. My heart goes sha-la-la-la. Hi guys! So, when we got back, naayos na nung aming, what you call, assistant slash butler slash super baet. Yung sofa bed, nagulat kami, naging, boom! Naging double deck.
Yeah, double deck.
Naging double deck.
I'm gonna sleep here.
Where?
My dolphin? There's a dolphin?
Walang dolphin.
There is.
Eh di wow, ano yun? Ito na po siya sa gabi. So there's lights. Ayan o.
Where's the dolphin?
Wala.
Blinking yung lights.
Oh my God.
Ano na nga ibig sabihin ng blinking lights?
Oy, may dizziness yan ha. Huwag niyong
I don't wanna get seasick.
Nobody will get seasick. You know why? You're sanay.
Sanay with what?
Sanay with the traveling.
I'm
It's not
sanay
your
with
first
air,
time.
not water.
Wait, do not move me. Okay, so
I remember that one time.
Mommy, I'm going backwards. Okay, let's go. Okay, where are we going?
we're gonna go at the Zodiac Theater to watch Spellbindra. It's a show. It's a magic show.
Yeah, magic.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go out. Hi, Dad.
Where's ate?
She's down there.
Go, go, go. It's my little pataport who is doing the... What are you doing?
I'm walking while videoing you.
Yeah, you're videoing me. I'm videoing you. Oh my God! Oh, bongga dito. Oh.
Our idol.
Yay!
Ay, di ko na. Oh my God.
Mami, vlog mo naman kami.
Oh, iba-vlog ko kayo, promise. I will vlog you. Oh. Jessa girl, ano na? Kumusta na yung mga rejuve natin dyan?
Shout out naman po, guests from the Philippines.
Oh siya, see you later. Bye-bye. Yep. Hey. We're going to where? To watch in the Zodiac Theater. Okay, let's go.
We're gonna see magic.
Wow, ganda. Ganda naman. So, ginising ako na maaga ni Daddy Ren kasi alam niya namang isa akong addict sa pictures and videos. At ang ganda kasi, orlok pa lahat. Kasi kagabi bago kami natulog, lahat ng tao nasa casino pa. Palengke pa ang mga ganap. O, eto na. Mapapakanta ka talaga ng huwag muna tayong umuwi. Ah, taray, ganon. O siya, lilipat kami ng ibang area. Anyways, we are already in Melaka. Alessandra.
Oo. Hindi siya nalalayo sa MOA.
Oh, patingin?
Eh, nadubog ka na ginagawang lupa.
Oo nga. Very SM by the Bay. Eh, pero ito naman ay dagat.
Yung bumaba, tapos mag-church lang tayo. Tapos balik na tayo.
Kasi you can't naman spend all day swimming.
Hindi, masahin ko yung itinerary. Kasi may oras yung climb something.
Eh, kailangan na natin magpa-schedule. Ay, ang lapit, Joe. Kasi magpapasign up pa tayo sa zipline. Good morning, my pata. Oh, boom.
Tingnan mo yung labas na. Tingnan na, MOA na. Uwi na sa MOA.
Uy, ang cute naman yung character na yan. It looks like Pata.
Okay.
So today is breakfast time. What do you want to eat?
Bread.
Bread. Come on, let's go. The bread. We're gonna do the slide. Oh my god. Hi, Prince. Pata. Who wants to do rock climbing? Walltopia.
Oh no, not
You want? You want to try?
Yeah, but
So magpapaka-sporty tayo today. Magzi-zipline. Charot. Ano, zipline ka, girl. Let's see.
Diba?
Ikaw, kaya mo yan, Dad?
no.
Nakalagay 180.
Yan. Hey everyone, so we're going to eat again.
What? No, we're not.
What are we gonna do? We're gonna try if we can do the zip line today.
We're gonna go in the zip line.
Why?
Dad, can Mom go in the zip line?
No. Why not?
Because so.
I'm not lang pa. Medyo lang.
But Mom, one time
Okay, so dito po sa Lido na restaurant, 5 times a day pwedeng kumain. So, nakapag-breakfast na kami kanina and this time we're checking out the parang merienda or snacks. The snacks are... What?
I don't want to eat it.
Ayaw niya na daw kumain. Siya na yung sumuko. How about you, love?
I don't know.
Depends? Yeah. Oh, mga breads. Raisin. Ito na yung zipline. So, ang zipline po ay nasa gilid ng dagat. Nasa gilid ng barko. Wait ah.
Gusto mo ate, walk lang pa ganon? Kaya mo? No.
Check ko muna kung may mga maliliit.
You want?
Kasi pag may maliliit, nagkakaroon ako ng confidence.
Ano?
Ako gusto ko zipline.
Magpa-check ako pa ni kasi.
Parkour for kids, guys!
Go, Prince! Hawak, 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 hawak! Kalalayan mo, Princess! Kalalayan mo!
Yes, Lay! Wow!
Huwag mawakan ko.
Galing! Go back, go back, go back! Go, come on, come on! Galing! You got this, my little bro! Galing, oh. Oh my God, ang init. So, yun yung Glow Bowling na may payment na parang $10 per game. $10 per game. Oo. Tapos sila na bahala sa socks. May free socks. Tapos sila na bahala sa shoes. Ganun. Okay, let's go. It's hot. Okay, so this time, nag-try naman kami sa Western restaurant nila, which is a semi-buffet. So, ang eksena dito is, they will just give you, and if you want more, they can just give you more. Plated siya, like this. So, siya ay sea bass, Princess is roasted chicken, and Prince is skibidi. You like it? Yeah.
Almost sprinkle.
Dad said he wants a cone.
Oh, Daddy wants a cone?
No, you ask Daddy if it's real. Thank you. Salamat. So here is the gelateria. Yahoo. Promise, only kain dito. Pero ito, this one has additional charge. So every time that you're going to go to a restaurant, buy something that has charges, you just have to give your card for the cruise. And then after, that's the time that sisingilin ka na pag magdi-disembark na. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye. Where are we going? We're going to win the bingo game, Full House. Are we going to win?
I swear mananantay sa raffle.
Yes, and we're gonna win in the
Para
raffle.
sa chocolate.
Okay, come on. Grabe dito, as in, hanggang madaling araw, nagsusugal talaga sila. Ay, hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung pagsusugal na yan. Ang naiintindihan ko lang, sugal sa pag-ibig. Sugal sa pag-ibig! Kaya ayan, no? May makulit na bata. Uy!
Jump!
Go!
Jump! Jump! Wow, stretching! You still have 35 seconds left. Go!
How did you do that?
This is not stretching, man. Let's go, you can do it. How many balls left inside? 2, 4.
So, dito din sa cruise may mga gashapon. I know, right?
Hold this. Wait, hold this. Hold this.
Gashapon. So,
4 and 7. 47. I'm holding a white ball this time. It's under and 35. 3 and 5. Now because B, it's number 2.
stress na siya.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am. May I know your names and where you from?
My name is Princess and I'm from the Philippines.
Wow, Philippines and Mami. Mami Nicole from Philippines. I'm from Philippines as well. So let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Our friends in deck 7. Come on. Okay, now players. I have some challenges for you. We will play 3 rounds on this game. 3 different challenges for you in each song. So all you have to do is to guess if you know the name of the singer and the title. All you have to do is to raise your paddle. Okay? If you don't know, of course, our lovely audience will gonna help us out. Okay? If you know the song and the singer of the song, kindly raise your paddle right away. Sir, got it? Yep. Yes, ma'am, got it? Okay, let's start our first song. Yeah, international. Yes, come on. Who is this? Name the title and the singer. This is very famous classic song.
Kaya mo yan, Butch.
Come on, anyone knows? Na, 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 na. Oh yeah.
Right here waiting.
Right here waiting. I can love you. Okay, who's the singer? The singer. Singer of the... Richard, yeah.
Richard Marx.
Richard Marx, DJ Edwin, is that correct? Wow, very good. Right here waiting. Now, the second challenge is to sing the song. I guess this is not a challenge for you. Okay, now, Team 1, we're gonna sing the song. If you know the song, you can sing along with us. Okay, here we go. I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes. You can sing along, everyone. My heart breaks. I will be right here waiting for you. Wow, very good. Now, let's move on to our...
A few moments later.
So, magsuswimming yung kids kasi gusto nilang itry yung slide. So, wait lang. Samahan ko sila. Teka lang. Ayan sila. Wait for me. Go. Princess, go. Pata. Woo! O, alis na. Ate. Okay, go ate. Woo!
Go, go, go! Tumama ka naman. Ang init po ng floor.
Diba? Ay, nag-ano ka? So, narinig niyo ba siya magmura? Ang init ng floor.
Go, Prince!
Ang init pa ng 4:30, Diyos ko po. O, di ba sinasamahan ko siya? Sinasamahan ko siya, literal, nasasamahan ko lang siya. Sabi ko, mauna ka. Charot. O, sige, go. Wait lang, ah. Give it to your mom or dad first for your safety. Okay, give it to me, love.
Oh, okay. She's already there.
Oh, you teleported.
No, I teleported. Go.
I don't know how to...
Princess! Okay, dito na ako mag-ano, sasali sa Zumba Cruise version. Aha. Let's go. Ito yan, o. There you go. So that ends our cruise experience. So pangarap talaga namin ni Daddy Ren na makasama sa cruise yung mga bata. And good thing kasi na-enjoy nila yung simpleng dinner cruise sa Hong Kong and dinner cruise sa Bangkok. So it's an indication na hindi sila takot sa isang cruise. Kaya binigay namin sa kanila itong experience nito. Especially kasi naman graduate na si Prince ng kinder. He's going to grade 1 and Princess is grade 6 turning to leveling up to grade 7. Ayun. So talagang kami po ay nag-celebrate. And reminders lang po apart from what you have to pay para po dito sa ating cruise experience, meron din po tinatawag na gratuity kasi baka bigla kang magulat. So ang rate po nun is $33. Tama ba, Dad?
Yeah.
Per night.
Per day.
Per day, oo. $33. SGD.
Per day per head.
Yon. So, kung 2 nights, $66 total per head. Yon. Plus, huwag nyo rin kakalimutan na may tinatawag na dining credit. So, check nyo po kasi baka hindi ninyo ma-avail. Sayang naman. So, meron po kaming 50 SGD dining credits per night per cabin. So, 100 SGD. Napakaraming pagkain din yun. Sobrang unli yung food dito. So, good luck talaga sa pagpapapayat. Kaya isang reminder, before you go on a cruise, dapat medyo nag-lose ka ng weight para you have enough room para kumain. There you go! So, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hope you like our video. Bye!
Pam bansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pam bansang pamilya. Pam samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.